Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to share notes to Instagram Reels or post. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your device. Select any post or reel that you want to share. Then tap on the share icon at the bottom right. At the bottom, you can see Add Note option. Tap on it. You can do this with posts or other contents as well. Once you share it, it will be deleted after 3 days. Now type in any messages if you want to. Then tap on the share icon. Remember that all of your friends can see the post that you added to your note. And that is how to add posts on your Instagram notes. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.